Hey everyone, how's it going today? Today is August 23rd, I believe. Hey, look, a plane. Cool. Anyway, the sun just went down, so that's a hell of a lot better on my eyes now. I got a headache, and it sucked looking into that sun. So hey, there's another plane right there. Well, you can't see it, but anyway, there's another one flying that way. So we're out here swathing the wheat, and this is penhold wheat. It's a bearded wheat, so it's got beards, and it's a little bit on the short side. Usually grows a little taller. I'm trying to cut it as low as I can. It looks pretty ripe, but there's still some greens in it. I could see some from the swather, so there is no way I'll straight cut that without spraying it. Yeah, and some of the lower areas there where there was more moisture, like right there, right about there, there's greens all in there. So anyway, oh, there's Lori and John. So anyway, yeah, it's putting out not too bad of a swath. Hey, there's a third plane. Why is it my camera doing that? Just it's because it's not enough light anymore. Anyways, there's 3 planes flying around there. Oh, let's get going. I just had to replace the alternator in this thing. It was not charging, so I had to run to town, change the alternator. The new one didn't really fit that good, so I had to do some mods on it. Anyway, let's get going. So yeah, like in these low areas here, you can see there's some green growing. So that'll make the sample pretty tough. So hopefully cutting it down and drying a few days will get it down to dry. They were saying rain on Monday, but I hope it doesn't, so don't need rain now. Of course, at combining time, that's when it likes to rain. It doesn't rain all summer, but it rains now. My seat is squeaking and it's really driving me crazy. I'm gonna have to get some WD-40 in here tomorrow. So yeah, crop is kind of thin. Like, you shouldn't be able to see between the rows. Normal year, it'll be just all wheat. Can't tell where the rows are. And these are 7.5 inch spacing rows, so it was pretty bad if you could see between them. But I hope this yields about 40. That'll be pretty good, I guess, for this year. On this field here, there was nothing last year. The canola here drowned out pretty good, almost 90%. So still better this year. Anyway, I was going to say something else, but I forgot. I finished swathing the wheat at home, and that's a different wheat. That's not a bearded wheat, that's just there's a word for that too, and I forgot what it is. Somebody will tell me, and I'll remember about 5 minutes after making this video. Anyway, I gotta turn around. totally fogged up. I got a little bit of clear where my fan is blowing on the sides of the window. It's cold out there. So it got really damp, tough. Yeah, she's pretty damp. I think I'll finish. Hey, look at the moon. Looks like a fire. I'll finish the rest tomorrow morning. She's just really damp, and I have to slow down a little more now because the straw is tougher, and wherever it was a little bit thicker there would stop my knife for some reason. I don't know why, but anyway, I can't see nothing, so I hope I gotta cut across here and try not to hit a bale. So I'm just gonna cut across the hayfield, shortcut, instead of going all the way back that way and around on the highway. So maybe with the door open it'll defog my windows. All right. Well, that helped a little bit, having the door open. Well, here I know we have all the bales on the side, so shouldn't hit them. It's on the headland here, so we threw all the bales to the headland bales. We threw them all to the side. So. Oh, I'm tired. Ugh. It's 11 p.m. right now. I'll just follow these pickup tracks. I think that's where Dad went. Oh, here's my old track, yeah. You can tell she's pretty damp because my tires are almost like they're wet. Well, I'm back. We'll continue this on in the morning. Hey everyone! Well, it's late and we're combining wheat and my fat tank is empty. The front tank now. Wheat is testing 13.7 or 13.8. I know it's in the 13. Building a new dugout for water. Thought they could go a little deeper. They could probably went 3-to-1 too instead of 4-to-1. But they're using the dirt for road construction. So I think they gotta go to that dirt pile there. So it'll be a nice little hole. Anyway. Yeah, as I was saying, the wheat is testing 13.7 or 13.8. Forget what Sean told me. It was 14 earlier on in the day, and we got a little shower. Like, it wasn't very much. A couple drops. It's made the straw tough, so. Looks like it's, I don't know, hopefully it's yielding about 40. 40's not bad for the year it's been. The wheat looked pretty scraggly, but if it yields 40, that's awesome. Well, we're back at it today. Wheat's testing 13, and we've got just this much to go. Sean's been baling the straw. Well, it looks like Pam took a ride with Papa. Anyway, those trucks are just about full, so it's actually yielding not too bad, really. Like, I thought it would be a lot less considering the year. So yeah, I don't have the John Deere running yet. I got the parts for it. And I'm probably going to do that later on today. I don't know, we'll go see if the other wheat is dry. Well, got a little breakdown here on the 99. First thing that broke, and what broke on me on the peas, was this, there's this threaded rod that goes in here, hooks up on there, and it holds the clutch mechanism here. So right now the clutch is stuck on, so I couldn't shut it off. So that's Trevor went to town. He's gonna get one made up. It's just simple. It's just a threaded rod with a clevis hook on the end. And then the first thing I noticed here, the chain fell off, and it's so unbelievably loose. I don't even know how it was working. So I've got a brand new chain right here, and I'm gonna put the new chain on here. Get rid of this thing. I can't believe how stretched this, like, it's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. So what I did with the old chain is I counted the links, and definitely was longer than the new chain. So I got the new one on here. I just have to tighten the tensioner. Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, I just got to end this video off that I was in the process of making. So, to make a long story short, I'm in the barley right now. We finished the wheat, and so what happened? Yeah, we finished the wheat for the big rain. Today is Thursday, and it rained Tuesday and Wednesday. We ended up getting 2.5 inches. Some places got 3.5. My south farm got 3.5. Oh, there's a rock. And today the sun came out and dried everything pretty good. Here it's sandy, so you can get on this field a lot quicker than you can on some. But as you can see the sun is going down behind the trees now. And anywhere I go behind the trees, the barley this barley's pretty short right here. Some on these hills here, it's really short. Second growth is coming. So this year where it's dry on the hills is the worst. The low areas are the best. But yeah, so I'm swathing her down. I gotta get my canola swathed too. But I just had to. It's getting tough. And the straw is, with the green in that, we get caught in my knife guards and plug up the knife and just stop it dead. So that's telling me it's time to quit here. I just want to try and make it all the way around. I'm going to throw this rock. I got 3 rounds so far. I was swathing wheat with the Mac down here, and the gearbox went out. There's a right angle gearbox which comes here with the shaft and pulley and runs the header. So we just finished changing that. Me and mechanic from John Deere, is a good guy, Wickets. So we finished that, and like I said, it's getting to be pretty tough now. I'm going to try and make it all the way around. Tomorrow should be better. Get some sun and wind. Really a rock in here. Well, let's see if that knife. Oh, it's still stuck. Give her a little turn. Ooh, she's really jammed in there this time. There, got it loose. Let's try this again. There she goes. So for right now, see, that's weird, eh? Look at that. It's kind of grew weird. It'd be good in one spot and then a circle. You got a crop circle and it's not very good, and then you got a strip that's good. It's dark golden brown there, and then the lighter colors are, it's like was a different growth, like a different, or didn't come up all at the same time a little bit. So usually I'll go faster than this, but just gonna take it slow in this round. In the low spots, it's not bad. Nice and tall. The way it should be. And then you'll get to a spot like that where there's nothing. There could have been grasshoppers. There was a lot of grasshoppers here too. So. Not much there. Down a bit here. Nice down here in the low area. All over like that on the hills. It's kind of thin, and it's starting to grow again, so there's green heads with a few green seeds in it, so you can't straight combine it or else it makes the sample tough. So that's why I swathed it. I guess you could spray it with Roundup, but I'm not going to. Oh, did it again. Plugged up my knife. It kind of does it in the real heavy barley here. Where it's, this is how it's supposed to be. Just like this here. And it's where it's heavier, it doesn't get as much air, so it's damper down here. Yeah, you can feel it. It's these little guys here that do it. Like this stuff here. That gets damp. See, it gets all stuck in here in between the guards, and that is damp. Yep. So I'm just gonna try and make it to the end, and then I'll call Sean and he can come and pick me up, and I'll continue this tomorrow. I gotta unplug this, so you pull it off here. Usually I'd like to cut into the night, but this gets too tough. Canola, I'd be going. And we're supposed to get, it's supposed to be, there's a frost risk tonight. I can already see my breath. There, got it all clean. Well, it did it again. I don't think I went maybe 500 feet. Yeah, so I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna pull out and go there on the side and give her. I'll text Sean to come pick me up. And that's all for tonight. Like I said, 'cause once the sun goes down, kind of a losing battle, especially after a heavy rain like we had. So the ground is really damp now. So I'm gonna head home. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and leave your comments down below. And we'll talk to y'all later.